Find features that differentiate it from other brands for NEWBULIG Camping Cot, Compact Fold Army Cots, Cots for sleeping. And why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Ultra compact folded size. Folds to 19x 13x 94 cm, about the size of a large duffel bag. Fits in car trunks, RV storage, or small closets without hassle. This ultra space-saving folded structure avoids occupying excessive storage space, bringing great convenience for outdoor travel and daily household storage. Easy to carry weight. Light enough to lift with hands or carry over your shoulder. No more dragging heavy, bulky cots to the campsite. The lightweight design greatly reduces your outdoor carrying burden, allowing you to move and transport the cot effortlessly during camping, hiking and travel trips. Full-size unfolded dimensions. 73x 35.8x 17.7 inches when open. Gives adults enough space to sleep comfortably, despite the compact fold. It realizes the perfect balance of compact folding storage and full-size sleeping space, not sacrificing resting comfort for portability. Durable build. 400D Oxford cloth plus X-shaped metal frames resist wear and sagging. Handles regular use for camping, travel, or guest beds. The premium wear-resistant fabric and stable reinforced frame ensure excellent structural stability and long service life, adapting to frequent daily and outdoor use. Tool-free quick setup. Unfold and lock the frame in seconds. No need to fumble with poles or screws, perfect for rushed camp arrivals or dark evenings. The humanized integrated folding design simplifies the overall installation process, helping you finish assembly quickly in various emergency and outdoor scenarios. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.